We all they fight something inside. No judgment, no disguise, just truth under open skies. Piece by piece we go rise. Healing no be overnight. Unscramble life is sleep.
Botani ma-Afrika mahle, botani bantu bomquba, igama lam ndinguSilindile uMampinga, umbhalo kaQoshe. Umntwana ingabi nobo yayifuna bantwana ndifuna abadala. Welcome to another episode ye-Unscramble Life with Sli. Bethuna ndizawuhlala ndisitsho kuni ndisithi izandla sidlula ikhanda njengabeZulu njengoba besitsho asiyonto ngaphandle kwenu. A reason that we are capable and able to have another episode is because of nincambaza nathi kule journey yethu. Namhlanje ke bethuna ndiphethe uta anazi kuthiwa uta amaxesha wodwa ke abantu kuthiwa ngota uta KMEC, and I'm curious because lo isi ndimsola uba ngu-Eastern Cape, but guess izayiva le ndaba. Welcome bhuti wam.
Yes, molweni kunjani?
Right man, right wena.
Yes.
Welcome man.
Yes, swami ukhanyisa lona umpela uJola umphangoma uqengeba. Yes.
Thumbe sedolweni ke bethuna.
Yes,
Jongani ke impondo mse ke bethuna nilivile ke.
Yes, swami.
This is interesting. Ungumkhaya wami ke futhi ke namhlanje guys, this is going to flow because ndizobe ndithetha ilwimi lam comfortably so. Ke ndizosibuza xa uba sike singathi siyantsokotha kakhulu, yabona sithetha esasixhosa siyana esenzonzobila nitshono ba asiyakhawulezisa kakhulu. But anyway, ndi interested but Khanyisa.
Okay.
Ungubhuti osemculweni.
Yes.
I want to call you a creative because you write, you produce, you sing. Nabantu abakhulu like abozuka SA kanje, you know.
Yes.
So I feel so privileged, man.
Okay.
Tell me, kubani ukhanyisa before uta KM?
Okay. Khanyisa. Okay, Khanyisa is just a guy who's thandela nje umculo, you know. Time socialize nabantu. It's always there out and about. Happy soul. Mtu nje ozipholeleyo all the way from Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Yeah, started falling in love nomculo back in Eastern Cape. Funny story is that I started with the hip hop thing, you know, because I started bukele sessions, khona sessions I stand back on uKasile to hip hop sessions. So we used to go there, me and my friends. That's when the love for music started growing up, yabona. But again, then I realized I was not really good with the rapping thing. Okay. So I started enjoying recording my friends. Because my friends were really good at this thing. Okay. So I was excited to record. That's when the production started. Yes.
So now you are going back. Man, I want to go deep. Ndifuna uba mandizise in a sense of singing to show off more than, because they say most of abantu abaraphayo must abakwazi ucula.
Yes.
Kuchiwo anditsho.
Yes.
Bakhona aba versatile. So did you feel like rapping iyaboxa, or you felt ukuthi it wasn't ibingathumeli lo myalezo wona ubufuna uthumela at that time?
Okay so nixole ngiqale ngilungise uqala ne ucula nawo anikwazi ucula yabo. So into ucula no so no, me what I do it's mostly like songwriting, okay. Harmonizing, like I can direct an artist yabona to do a certain melody or whatever yabona.
Okay.
Hayi ukuthi mina ndibe ngu-Chris Brown.
Kaloku mina ndicifama kaloku umuntu I'm learning something here.
Yes.
Ndixelela uba mhlambe mna I'm an artist, like I can sing vocals.
Yes.
Ndiye ndicifama kaloku mna, for me to get the notes, I have to hear from you when I'm dobhalile. I thought it's like that. That is why I'm mentioning the singing part.
Yeah, no, so abanye bakhona fortunate enough that have the talent to also sing and produce, yabona.
Okay.
Babe khona kabanje ngathi bathi hayi no ntombazana ayiyo lena yabona ithi kanje yabona. Ndingayenzi ngehlobo exactly, but ke nawo bosoyibona
lana ufuna
unyuke uthi yabona muslane ne but yes, it's just that it's just guiding yabona, because I believe an artist yabona, you can have a voice but you only going to need someone that's going to direct you bayenza kanje kuncedisa apho and apho. So ke mina ke ndiba yilo tool encedisayo yabona, like most of the artists that I work with, most of the time I help them with songwriting yabona, because sometimes they do have the idea yabona but kube nzima uyikhuphe yabona. So ke mina ke ndifika ndibe yilo tool uncedisa nje, okay no yabona this part ungenza kanje nakanje, ungayicula kanje le nto yabona. Yes.
When did you realize that this is one of your callings. It could have been anything else. You could have been a model. You could have been a soccer star or anything else. Why did you choose this kind of journey?
Bathi ngabantu abayimodel.
I mean, come on, looks is gone, you know.
Okay, yes, so this thing, yes, Lendriana, yes, funny thing about music, it just, when it hits you, it just hits you, you just know you just need to do it. This thing started high school. So high school, I realized, good to know, man, I'm really falling in love with this music thing, with this production thing. Because I started enjoying recording abantu, senza nama beats ngapha yabona, like, hey, no man,
I can cook.
Yeah, ndiyayithanda le nto, but ayazi kabazali ke Eastern Cape, uyacula edlala. Go on esikoleni, yeah. So now realize nasesikoleni, man, as much as this is esikoleni, no man, this thing iyandiphazamisa because I'm not focusing on what le nto ndifuna, because I studied IT.
Okay.
Yabona.
Okay.
I realized good, no man, 18 ndayibona, but I don't see myself this office in kayinto olungisa system ntoni
Formula ndithi i-Wi-Fi yami down
axela bafu you start. So yabona, for me, so for me I realized, but no man, this thing yabona, I don't see myself doing anything than this thing, music, yabona. So I had to sit in a timer one, yabona, back in Eastern Cape. Oh, Bojo is a huge support of mine. Timer, yo.
Shout out
to
Timer. Yes.
Yeah. So I had to sit him down and say, man, Timer, listen, this thing, man, I expand man the way you band is ufunda, because they are funda at the same time and they perform in school. Not that I'm not smart or anything, but it's just that my focus is on
it's
this
divided.
Thing. Yeah, because I would go from school calendar in a studio, uyabona, and then the libale lena yesikolo focus kuleyo mculo, uyabona. So I sat down with Tim and no man, I would like to band how about ndizame something that's going to help me in the excel of music, because I know I still need to learn a lot with this music thing, because zanzine general knowledge I'm so I needed furthermore
back room.
You know the style I want. So I was no man, I can food the way, so in a professional manner. So I sat down with time as I in the meeting there. I can find the you know abantu abazali yo. It's really difficult, but I understand the shame mhlobo bakhule ngayo, yabona ba understand izinto ezilulu ngilixesha langoku na back in the days, because in the back in the days you need to have something to secure your future, yabona, uyitishara, uyinesi, social worker, lipolisa, yabona. So if there's not, if I kuzo zinto, it doesn't make sense for them, yabona, because bayibona into yomculo ezini into yobasika, into yokonwaba, man, they don't see like a future, a career ngayo build something ngayo, yabona. So I had to sit him down because I know, man, yabona, there are many ways of doing this thing, and I'm on the production side, so I can still make some money while doing this thing, and I love this thing, yabona, like in the appeal at this thing, yabona. I have dreams about it, yabona, and the future I am is based on it, yabona. So I don't see myself doing anything than rather this thing. And then one film been sitting to waste imali yakho, or been wasting ixesha, and been sitting esikolweni, then esikolweni ndingaperform, ben ndiyazi ba yintoni endifunayo, yabona.
Point right there.
Yeah, so it's like, it's fine, mfethu. Make sizame le way yakho, yabona.
And just to add on that, kaloku you should remember uba kunesi stigma. Most of our artists in South Africa, whether we more especially if we front line, we spotlight, and then now make it make sense, and then now you go in there to tell a parent ba ndifuna ukwenza lento, and then be like, nabo mahlathini baso bhubha bengenanto, you know, legends abo mabri, we can see even now uBonga Nifasi, he's still fighting for his mother's legacy, you understand, so now take that to a parent oyazi njengoba usisho ba bazi ba kune sequences oba funeka kube into ethile a prominent to the community, going to them now telling them this. It's difficult, but I must commend your dad. Siyabulela dada for that.
And also, just to add on that, with also these things that are happening, they attached to umculo, these drugs, this lifestyle, yabona. So come on, Lena, and I can in the past tense, I can abanika abazali bam like a harsh London time where I was into these drugs things yabona. So it was really hard for them yabona to ba kanjani. What if ke ngoku lento yakho uzophinda relapse uphinde ubuyele kwezwe yabona zakho yabona, because lokho siyazi thina abantu abenza umculo bayasema bayachaya yabona. I don't want to comment on that.
But now, before we go to that, tell me the dynamics ekhaya, structure, nikhule ku structure senjani?
Okay. Yeah, to be honest, sikhule, I won't lie ndithi hayi sikhule sisokola sithina yabona sikhule. Okay, it's me, the second born him now. Okay. And then I have a big brother and a little brother who's here in UJ wenza his third year yakhe.
So ningamajonodwa endlini.
Ngama-social, unfortunately for all late.
Shumasikisa kana best friend yokumechisa upinky.
That's all right.
Yes, yeah.
Yes. But yeah, eneza izama usenza like yo samsenza manje.
But the nicest thing, unamasotsha azozisomakoti 3.
Yeah, ne. Yeah.
Yes, man. Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, man. So sikhule man singabantu sihamba icawa obviously. Support umtata ke most of the time because uyebesebenza, umama was just at home incedisana nakhe naye apho nalapho yabona kuba nzima ke sometimes yabona. But yeah man, time held us down growing up, sikhule kakuhle, sikhule siqoqeshekile yabona. I can never complain that abazali bethu zange bayidlala indima yabo yabona. They did their best as our parents, as our parents yabona. Sithi nje ubaxoxa izibane ziphuma ecaleni ziphapha.
I'm getting there. And the nicest thing, you sitting nomuntu itown yakhe enkulu ngumthatha.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And umthatha ndiwoyika ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Yes,
I remember growing up kuthiwa kukho lanto yokuba, not growing up bese ndibhadlile wethu kuthiwa kuza zibizwa izikoli mos.
Sure.
Kuthiwa kukho ezazikoli zifike kuthiwa sizokubamba ingozi ngexesha kuthiwa zithi kunini kufuna udabs wena dala ekukhangela ufuna ulwebeke ekoneni usetshwe. So now as a boy growing up eMthatha, njengositsho uba ekhaya everything was secured, you had stability, but now there are these noises around you which is ngumjita wakhulele eMthatha, not any other place. I want to be specific because ndiyavuka eMthatha, so sorry about that. How was it for you now? Ba ubalance being a child at home, phinde ubele nje ubaqothetha ngayo ke ngoku esitratweni.
Yabona Sami, first of all, let me just put like this name. Mthatha is just like any other town. I believe each and every any other town of South Africa, in crime yayo, in challenges zayo, yabona, like inamatuba abathakathayo, yabona, namagqirha wayo, yabona. So Mthatha man is just like any other town, yabona. But obvious ke ezinye izinto ziyabaxeka ke Mthatha ke yabona, but I believe it's like any other town yabona. Influence nguwe, because I'll never blame ichomi zakho, because ekugqibeleni it's you who takes the decision ukuthi uyoyenza into ethile ngokuphapha kwakho noba ula uyi-experience yabona. But man, growing eMthatha, I feel like into sinaphathi control wena uba uyakwazi nawe uzibamba, because sami yonke into ikhona phayana, yonke into yenziwe yabona. And it started at a younger age yabona uba uyiphuncule kusesekuqaleni uyabona. Uzophuma indlela ezonke yabona. Lakha sithi mina ngihlobo sikhule ngalo, sikhule singabantu abaqeqeshekileyo, sikhule kwikhaya noko elibambe umthetho yabona. So into iqale yapha ubudaleni after so
uyayibamba wena ifone uthethe nayo xa usetown eMthatha?
Kaslama look obvious yabona,
like uyayiphatha like this,
ndiyayiphatha
uthethe ne usho bra.
Yeah, but obvious yabona, like not ukuthi ndizenze uba hayi ndinqobo.
Yeah, ndiyakuyaziwa of course.
Yeah, but mina ngikwaziwa ziyakushubela phayana wona. Obvious khona indawo engenobamba kuyo ifoni yabona, because like yazazi indawo esafe nendawo ezikho safe yabona. Naphina yabona, awunovela ubamba ifoni apha small street eJordan. Uyazithengisa yabona. So as much as ndiyazi yabona, ndinayo i-respect for yona nefiba enganini kuseMthatha. I must not get comfortable yabona. Yeah,
because not everybody knows you.
Exactly. Yabona uyakwazi nojikela ngoba kwaziyo
and bangaba dangerous kakhulu because abo kaloku bangagqiba ngoba bayayazi ba uzobaxela.
Exactly. Yabona, but man, just like any other town, Mthatha it's not as bad as abantu bacinga ba. You'll have to be in there uhlale phayana to realize ba man, Mthatha is just like any town. If uzwela into zakho like uyaphila peaceful yabona, unless ba umuntu othanda izinto ololeqa izinto, then that's that's when the problem starts. Otherwise, polile, it's nice, it's beautiful, it's peaceful. Not so to buy, okay.
So now I heard you mentioned indaba yokuba you were in substances.
Yeah.
When was this? Why? How did it start? And how did you overcome it?
Okay, I think there was a time like I think back on ixesha ebomi bakho whereby ufumanise ukuba awugo uyamuluka. In fact, I forgot.
Ufamba moyeni to submarine. Lonto le nto xa iyakuphazamisa ne?
Don't worry.
Okay, cool. Okay. Sorry, yes.
Into zalapha ekhaya.
Siyakuzigelela.
So I think it was a point man in my life whereby I felt like young izinto. It was just because I was working. It was after I was working Old Mutual. Because begin as Old Mutual is a financial advisor,
Okay.
So things were I think the age gave me dala in the at that time, because after being a performer at Old Mutual, I lost my first car, Tatwa Bank, so to me, I felt like life because now I was at that age, pressure, I felt like I've lost my car,
dignity gone,
lost my job, no papa so I started using substances when I was not that deep,
okay.
No, so I started using just to
calm yourself.
Yeah,
it made you to escape a bit of your reality.
That's what you think,
Okay, I like that.
At that moment, it was working, and then I realized, after 6 months, I'm a nurse. Yazibona xa songahlambi mose yabona athi no-Oleti hayi man uthena unuka nje ndiqoma yabona iyandihlaba la
but abanotice ukuthi khona into
Oleti has a sharp eye.
Okay,
uchaya drugs wena uchaya drugs unuka nentsango yazi ngisayiphi voice kama maxesha lo nto lawo unuka nentsango and then yabona ke yazi ke xa under the substances yabona you have that thing ba
uba nonchalant ibe ngathi usele izipilisi ama ashwagandha
child imali yami siyabona imagine nje umzali so at that age I was really stressing my parents. They were so stressed about time. They forgive me for that. I know they did, but man. So at that time I thought man. At that time it felt so good, man. Amajita savuka siyosikarela sifumana fix. We good. Like we good, man. Mission it with the basifumana ways the grand yabona. Then we good. Move on life. Then I realized, man, after 6 months, man, no.
So this whole thing you're mentioning, it only happened in 6 months.
Yeah, 6 months too. Yeah, because
very para when in the duration of less than a year.
Yeah. Then I realized, because you also see the surroundings. I think you mean the one an exam when you mean in the body club jogging guard. Yeah, that's what me. Yeah, so I started, man, working on myself, man. Like saying, no, man, how can I move out of this thing, like trap in this five way? Because the one life I'm send pillar way and the send dark and go and the slambi no slamba like
not cute on Jenko Sam say lipar for a complexion it was gone.
One flop pink. That about pink and bello need to put to so but man, at that time I was in my mind I'm going next. So man, I was now this thing is not working for me, man. So I tried to buy man is cool way. So I started taking less and less to the point at the time and way.
So you didn't go to rehabilitation as abanye abantu baye benze mhlawumbe umfundi abefundisa or something?
No, I told my dad straight, I'm gonna stop this thing when I want to. So I'm the one who put myself here. I'm the one who's gonna take myself out here. So yeah, man. That's why I have sometimes I'm to take drugs. I'm like, no, man, this person doesn't really need rehab. This person just needs to make it within the year. Because you can take me to rehab, you can still make a plan only by rehab.
And to relax.
Exactly.
And you know, I appreciate you shared this. I mean, you benganyanzelekanga.
Yeah.
But now the nicest thing about such things, I know ukuthi right now khona umuntu ozova ukuthi it's possible.
Very possible.
And I was talking to a friend last night and you know, sometimes it's so easy uba masijudge abanye abantu. And when you look back, akekho umuntu ongakaze afike adlule ebumnyameni.
Yes,
but when you look back uyobulela uba yo ndiyabulela Thixo ngoba mina uye wanditakula ndaphuma kubumnyama. So who we are to judge?
Yes, it's true, Siswami. It's true because ngiyange you may never amazi umuntu ikona akuyo. Uyabona for you when umuntu okwendawo right uyabona uposition right having something umuntu ongenamntu you might look at him useless, but you don't know what's really. As some abantu they're going through a lot outside there. Yeah, like it's told this value. Like I'm also doing Uber here. So like I meet up with a lot of people like each and every day. All these stories about man, and then you get to realize about like emotional, not even physically, but people are going through a lot. So you might judge every day, but ungazazi ingxaki zakhe ubazinjani. So then sometimes if you don't know don't quick to judge about because you don't know the situation that the person is facing.
Give grace, be kind.
That's how we live.
Thank you. And I'm grateful but I had an opportunity to manhlale nawe ngoku because kube waste la talent ngoku.
Sisami
Usicapha boy pie.
I'm sure the same feeling.
Yes,
but I was enjoying the time. But man. But Satan, I think it works upon Satan. Uyakuthanda when you're at your lowest.
Of course.
Yeah, because akafuna unleash the beast that's inside you. Uyabona because ayibona potential yakho. Yo, ingxaki le. Yeah, man, ndimbamba apha kule nto lekona akuyo uyabona. Angaboni the other side of life. Uyabona. And usibamxopha kula kona eyovela ubomba. Hayi man. Life brand mosa.
Yeah. I hear so, you. Awuboni kwande wrong.
And people around you might be worried come down at labo wena yabona. So yabona then understand that go send phuma no man Satana. Ufuna ukubamba kula kona le yakubambe kuyo because there's a beast that's inside you. Yabona. Everyone is beast unayo land inside but it's just that you just need to find it and then you unleash it. The moment you start realizing it and you unleash it, so I'm telling you, nothing can stop you.
In anything.
Anything.
What about the fear? Because now what I know is you had a chance to escape your reality, isn't it? And escaping at that time, nothing was happening in your life. And then now going back now to reality, weren't you scared, Uguti? You've introduced yourself to this and then now but where and how and when to start? Were you not scared? How is the community going to receive you later on after there was a stigma now that they knew you?
Yeah. To be honest, not one thing I believe in abantu the community or whatever. They will always talk. They will always have something to say. Whether you are doing good, whether you are doing bad, they will always have something to say. Ungasebenza hard apha eJoburg. Usebenza really hard. Yabona uye pha kuwendlini uma uyo celebrate ba umxhela inkomo tha uthwele ke ngoku.
Injalo.
They don't see the hard work that you've been doing.
And now you're just celebrating yourself.
But no man. I've been coming to Swagut. So let me just make this thing. So they will always have something to say, whether you're doing good or you're doing good. So for me, I was just putting myself first. Exist abantu whether bathetha ntoni because it was just me nobomi bam uyabona so whether bathini or banjudge njani bathina I really don't care. Me, I'm focusing on me and building this KM that I wanted to build. So it was just that and man, abantu like they just sometimes you just need to lead. I mean, people eventually follow.
And that is why they say today, if you do this, baba now and then kusasa, balibele sebe focus
obvious. That's why again, you must always make sure you put yourself first. Do what makes you happy. So pilela aba. I mean, upila kaiwani man. Man, why do you stress yourself about abantu abanempilo zabo? Focus more on your life. Pilela wena. Do what makes you happy. Don't put pressure on yourself. Ungafuni enye into just because omnye umuntu nayo ucimba nayo because siyakwazi hlala kunawe siyi-2 but into endinazo doesn't mean nawe unazo yabo. So you must always ujonge life wakho, ujonge situation yakho uba injani na, uyabona, and build ngokwe-pace yakho, uyabona, because buhamba nge-pace endihamba nangayo uzobhideka. Mna mhlawumbi nayo i-backup yazi uba mhlawumbi kuthiwa ndibhinqe ngantoni.
Uyayibona uthole wena uthathe le nto mna ndifuna ndirhalela ukuba njengawe. That time I'm not even there, not even closer to that. I like that.
So you need to make sure, man, you uzithande man, so I mean, like, focus more on yourself. Do into yenzayo for yourself, yabona. Always put yourself first more than anything, yabona, because niqala lapha mentally, yabona. Once you are mentally sharp, yabona, I'm telling you, everything just goes smooth, you know.
Thank you.
The
reason that I'm saying thank you, I think around when you were texting me, I was on a steering wheel like this.
Sure.
Crying.
Yes,
feeling overwhelmed.
Okay.
You understand?
Sure.
I think I needed to hear this.
Sure.
Thank you for that. I'm so sorry. Ooh, but thanks for ukunikhumbuza wethu. And sometimes we just have to remember where we come from for me to worry about you and not understanding ba dilapho ndikhona ndisukaphi. So thank you for that. And then now I want to know the journey now was Piwi's Busiso Mtata. But now you can pursue now your journey.
Yes.
Usesekhaya that time.
Yes.
So that's where now you started now cooking even more. Faka malahle ngoba lokunezibusiso ngoku. You can do your thing without being distracted.
Okay.
How did it go about?
Okay. So ke ngoku yabona ne banisile story. So ke ngoku okay sihlala eMthatha ngase Kingdomstown ngosine eQonce yabona. So utata unomzi eMthatha and then he's working in Kingdomstown. So renta ngase Kingdomstown. So uyahlala lapha and then ke so after yonke le way yemess yami bona I moved to a Kingdomstown yabona. Ndiyohlala notata yabona because that
so after deciding to leave the drugs and everything.
Yeah, yonke
okay, so you thought kuba for you to be straight up without
change environment.
Yes.
Because ngikhulele nase King yabona.
Okay.
So khule both sides yabona. King nase Qonce
naseMthatha. Yes.
So ndiphaka utime ke ngoku yabona. Hlele ngutime unemployed yabona. So utime ke sensuka kapha eJoburg yabona. Nalapha eJoburg ke nayizami nomculo ayasibhana yabona. Ndaphinda buyela.
Okay.
Pha eMthatha yabona. So sise King on time. At time ifonini this thing uyabona ngoku awuhleli lapho u-stressed yabona. There's a construction phayana yabona kwenziwe indlela phayana. Kuhambe ufuna umsebenzi man. Ufuna umsebenzi.
From the office off computer to
ipeki ngokuthile ngawo.
Yeah.
Yabona ndobethe ipeki. Hayi mawuthini ngoku. I have nothing. I literally ananetanda nothing airtime.
Ne roll on xhomekeke ku time.
Yo, don't let time ngicela hotspot isso. Yeah, igqiba data yami phone. You wonder life. I'm like okay, yazini.
Yeah, man.
Ngandoni?
And kaloko nathi singamamachera asizukufuna ungenanto. What is it in for me?
Zawujola njani? Angizojola njani ke? Niyakwazi nothenga ne go slow
yeah.
So at that point those were young njalo we're just more like okay, building yourself yabona. Man make ndiye man ndibe time construction yami ndiva ke ndithi kulento ka time andiyiba yami ndithi yakhe.
Yeah.
Okay, sure yazi ndiye ke phana ngicela kumsebenzi. Yazi fortunate life yazi uThixo xa isebenza just work in mysterious yazi. Ndafika phana ngelast day ngiyabona. Sekuqashiwe abantu sekuthiwa kusathatha yabona. But lo mama lona vele athi man andinani vele nakuthanda man yabona ndiyazi ukuthena ngakulinda apha. Ndiyazi bakhona bangazofika apha into inanende
induction.
Yes. Bakhona bangazofika. Ke ngiyani ke ndilinde. Unfortunately bafika bonke yabona. But because I was there until last 6, ndabona fika 6 ekseni until last 6 late. Athi hayi la mama mina nami zawufanele ukufake ke yabona.
And uyabona ba uyayifuna kubukhalela kaloku hamba.
Yeah, hayo ndilapha.
Awunayo ne carry.
Hayi ndilapha ngqoma sendilapha man. Hayi ke ifumane kumsebenzi nyani ekunika overall like orange hey dim those obeti peki ngoku nento loku uyaphapha nophapha so and that time I'm also seeing my friends on TV yabona because uZuku is my good friend behlala sonke beJoburg I'm seeing uZuku TV yo hekwenzeka ntoni ngoku mina nibeti peki ngapha my friends.
Which year was this?
This was 20 This was when was it now? It was 3 years back.
You know why I'm asking you this? Because Mauzoti, because I remember that time it was
exactly.
I remember like that song, it's so prominent, it's significant to me. So that is why I'm asking the year. Because I
my earphones Betty Peg ngelo xesha ndakha
tu.
No, it's my brother. No, he was my brother. He has one thing I love about him. Even when he had gigs in Eastern Cape, he would call me, yo, this was up in Berlin because I was in Kingdomstown. So Zwakala, I know my friend is coming. So he always gave me that hope. But say I'm fit. Success song because I think if it wasn't for him also giving me that, because every time I touch on my name, like yo KM, the gig up he would give me that spirit and then back say I
can libela.
And say push but again no, because that means such bang. Position as no fans and this will sponsor no Zuko because it's his time now yabona, so let's celebrate his time yabona. But the mere fact that he didn't even forget me wasn't touch that made me, it gave me spirit but say I know say on yabona say on. So when the hamba ngalamandla ndifake earphones the Betty Peg
wahamba ngalamandla wanikiwe ufuna uthatha ungaqhubeka
so the Betty Peg yabona I'm working. So that time I was working as I need to work on a plan because now I need to get back to Joburg.
Joburg must be creative because of you are a creative. Kawukhathe lanto leyan.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Iyo le kuphazamisayo. Gogi phazamisa nam ezizifia. Good. Siyabona inkosi ke butwana. Siqhubekeke.
Okay.
That's how really it is, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
So okay, so as the man that gave me spirit to man push because so as I was working by construction, like as in hey, now I need to myself now. I need to make on a plan to go back to a Joburg. So njengoba ndisebenza phaya at time yabona the construction says uphela ngiyabona because you are left with 3 months when ndafika sekuzogqitshwa nyani. So like say kawenza into ze security man yabona ukujoin be security so that you can have, because I'm trying to avoid a situation whereby uphinde uhlala ungasebenzi yabona, and employment kulaqala it's really critical kunzima phaya, unemployment is serious phaya like imisebenzi inqabile. So ke ngiyani ke disenze ke security, guess what, bayiphela the day iphela ngayo la way side uba sisebenza endleleni ndabe ndifonela the following day banizoqala ze security because as nisebenza phayana endleleni I was doing my security courses ecaleni yabona. So ke disenze ake ngiqala nisebenza security manje ngilani ngo
yes
phumile
jack of all trades madoda
phumile bekile ngo
these things they teach you ukuba ungamelana nayiphi na season. I love this, trust me.
So the manje ngilani ke ngo ibiqhikele because now ndibona abantu ndisetops ndigadile phana so I would see abantu engikhule nabo abanye benifila down in a way yabona ufuna ukuxoxela
bengathi ungazifihla
man yabona nje ndacela behamba thina ndiya kwenye side
yes
yoza nje zanifaka emahlahleni yabona behamba. But I was grateful man because at that time I was know okay God is cooking now thixo khona ipheka ngobami yabona because abasizi into ziyaqala zekhileke ebomini bami nami ngokuqonda mhlobo engicina ngalo ngoku yabona like ndibuyile now you know ansena i-bank account is inayo nokho imali ngoku yabona sentsho
yakala nekhomkhom
yabuya ikhomkhom yabona so so as I was a security I was like I don't know man. So this was last year around June, July, yabona.
Unowarisha nje. Like I'm in a good way though.
Okay, yeah.
I'm inspired. No, qhubeka.
Sure.
Yeah.
So yabona late last year yabona as I was working in security because I also did the firearm reactions as I was a security yabona.
Okay.
I'm like okay, the security we Kingdomstown. No man. How about ndenze lento ndiyenzayo ngiyenze eJoburg yabona so that I can be closer yabona, to
your dream.
Yes,
you still have this dream that is on pause.
Haunt, yabona. You're one of those guys. God bless those guys. Those guys, like my now, because I used to bring my laptop and I start making beats. And then they would say, so they advised me the other day, semncinci kakhulu manje ube uhle lapho isecurity nathi yabona wena
umane usifana zingqondo
ngawuhamba eJoburg yabona thina sina 15 ufone 60 thina sesincamile thina uyabona sesenza lento wena you still like we see you want this thing, you love this thing yabona how about ke noba uyisecurity ke uhambe bapha eJoburg so that you can be closer to what you want yabona because we see you are good at what you're doing, you love what you're doing, you love what you're doing, so why don't you just be closer apho yabona ikhona yonke lena because apha Eastern Cape uziyandawo yabona yazi uthi uzihambele isithathu ngithiwa hey DJ yenza umculo ke le yala you know
DJ ngakufakisa uniform
Dog DJ ke le yanqobo damn kasi you know as a demotivation
assassinating your character kuthiwa emotional damage
ngadlalisa wezakho kaloku Sembe la way yakho guys don't even support you but it's okay man
lapho netaser
netongipiri ngamaqhuza ngapha iphethe ubhaka that was hell but
I'm not laughing I'm not laughing at that's someone's livelihood, that's someone's job, that's someone's life. That's not what I'm laughing at. I'm laughing at these people about DJ, you know.
It used to be horrible. Because ngikhule nabo abanye bona ikasi lami ngisile bona and so ngubani nayo DJ yabona. I was enjoying shame to be honest as a security because like I said I knew God was cooking at that time. I know Thixo khona yenzayo whatever is happening because and it's feel span donwabile like donwabile emsebenzini
so ukhwela itaxi mawuye emsebenzini
okay now because zangisebenza ikasi because ndaceba abanisusa apha zangisebenza khona because those anqome is too much
ayibona nijabusela ngake sonisana undokhela bafethu
so bambeke ikasi uyabona okay ikasi shab mhlala ikasi so it was just a walk to go to emsebenzini site digada kwenye indawo ke weird it's a story for another day so I was working ikasi
onyambuzo buyo wabeka ehlathini
yabona so man so amanje ngixelela man esikhoma senze no man ngobethe the way man kuhambe eJoburg uyophusha part that side kuzama ujonga iza kuqhuba njani the way yakho phaya
were you saving that time
no I was saving so I can decide on the last payday yabona mina doing time ngicela time asinqhube time because I knew talking to him it was up in the meeting so athi gqisene niqhubelwa except amajonga neplan eJoburg ngondihamba ndiyabuzana
ubani
xa bazofela kuZuku
okay
shout out to Zuku SA accommodate mnganami yabona so ndafika xela uZuku kuseZuku ndabuya ngo nditefoni ndizejule wathi akho stress ngmanami zokale yabona so into yami ke ngoku xa ndifika eJoburg was okay yazi ntoni ndizawufika ndifake iCV tamani nenzela ke iCV ka about 30 years CVs dilona into eziCV
I love your dad I love you Timer we need such people in our lives, isn't it? I think when it stems from home, even nesisindo than hearing it from the streets, or being supported in the streets. I love lentshisekelo nayo kuba he really believed in you and he didn't give up on you.
Even Olate, shout out to Olate. Now she does street Olate. Olate street. But I know she has mega love for me.
So mama
Mamdlani.
Okay.
Yeah, Nhlobalo Banzana maseqona. I fought for freedom.
Yes, man.
So mama undwebile. Yes, I feel like ngithathe yazi into ngithanda ngolady ne. I-character Olate. Yabona character Olate. She's one person undwebileyo Olate. Nayifunayo.
Nteqondileyo.
She wants it.
That's me.
Olate bakuthiwa be-artist ngisephesheya ngo-Olate. Like she's that person. If she wants something mama uzoyenza ayifumane. Even if ukufunela something uzothi make sure uyakufuna. So I think it's spirit songancami nesophusha nisifumane pha ku-Olate yabona. So ke back to the band ndafika ngapha eJoburg so ndafika apha eJoburg yabona fike lo mzukwana yake nomzuku sikumishini ngosuku nezisibi eziyi30 fondini I must get a job. Ndaqalela ndayihamba yonke igoli sifake isiyo nomnganami. Hayi akho nto elungayo. Yabona. So that's when I started joining into ke ngoku Uber ke ngoku.
So now Uber you opting ba uzodrivela someone at that time.
Yeah.
Okay.
And because ke bene-experience ke Uber ndenza no Bolt kula cala e-Eastern Cape.
Wena ufikisa izinto zakho.
Yeah, ayo. Talent Panson.
Because I'm telling you, it's so hard for me. I think maybe it's because it's my second day.
Yeah.
Whew.
Like I think the first day ngifumana imoto, I spent 2 days ndisendleleni. Ndifike nje uzigonto yohlamba ndiphinde ndibuyele endleleni yabona because I needed to make sure uba ndiyasettlisha beJoburg. Because another thing I realized, yabona eJoburg, okay, this one is for the artists that want to come to Joburg. It's not easy in Joburg being an artist. Guys, you must know it's not a fairy tale, it's not a fantasy. You need to work, yabona, in order to kwazi ba ubhatale irent, ubhatale ukutya, ukwazi unxiba kakuhle, yabona, so that you don't have pressure.
When you're an artist, you need to look the part.
Exactly.
You need to look nice. And irent ungalibali ba uthi ba irent ayikho cheap.
It's not yo.
Mention that part because we are funa kube ne-rent. No. But I noticed ukutya Eastern Cape it's more expensive than Joburg. But they should know that uphahla.
Ubhatala ngingasingayohlala epark station upha uhlala nabafana bama-cupboard. Uhlale pha esitratweni uncenge nawe because you're the rent is so.
Futhi unemoto that time unokucima why
ningavela
emotweni ndiyo public jole ndiyohlamba pha.
The rent is so expensive. Yeah. So in order to not stress about this music thing, you have to have a plan, because I understand the plan is more important. We are younger in yes, we might be talented, you might be a good singer, a good rapper, but without a plan, your talent is nothing, especially when it comes to the city. Because izinto might not happen ngelixesha wena expect zizokwenzeka ngalo. Uyabona? And let's face it, right, it is South Africa because America up, so it's not imali ayivelated ngelo hlobo, uyabona. So you need to have other means or sources of income, main ways of making income, so that ukwazi uphila apha eJoburg, so that ukwazi enjoy umculo wakho, without having the pressure but uzobhatala nini lo mculo leli, because you can go a whole 3 months without any gigs. How are you going to survive that 3 months without any gigs? And we upcoming, even the celebrities that you see on TV, they are going through the same thing, because they know about what to buy, invest, and so
of course connection.
When I see Eastern Cape, you can never come to Joburg without a plan. You must have a plan, and the plan firstly must how to survive in Joburg before the music thing, so that you don't stress about ish. Ayisebenza umculo ngokubhatala lo mculo akazubhatala because wenze ingoma namhlanje ucimba ngomso uzobe so millionaire kanye ucimba uzobe so uthandwa ngilizwe lonke. This thing must be a lifetime thing then yabona icontact ubomi bakho bonke, so you need to be patient with it, uyabona, because you can make a good song vele ngathanda ingoma yakho
and wena uzixelela uba hayiyo
madoda kwenzela bona awusebenzanga lenzo. Kanti abantu they will only catch up ngengoma yenze ngoJanuary, in December it was just not the season for the song or not the season for you, uyabona. So you must always usifake inhloko ezo zinto eziba okay, segoli ngoku I might do this, it might not happen, it might happen.
What's the backup plan?
Exactly.
Have you ever thought of writing a book about that? How to survive as an artist, not just in Joburg, but how to survive as an artist?
Now that you mention, I think I should actually.
You must.
I'm gonna write a book.
Please. How to survive as an artist.
How to survive as an artist.
Or as an creative.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's something.
Are you gonna
buy it?
Pinky Sway.
That's it. It's on camera.
Pinky Sway.
It's on camera.
Yes. I love how you narrate your life.
Okay.
Just put it in book. If not in book, because oncokola nakamandi or yenze be audio or ibe incwadi ene audio.
Yes.
Just think about it. Like I ndifile ngathi like uthetha nam.
Sure.
Thank you for this.
Sure,
Asike
ngiyabulele.
siphazamise
No
yes.
stress. No, ndiyabulela Suzana.
Yeah.
Actually, ekuseGoli apha, you can do anything. Ungavuka ngamsethe umfundisi ngomso. You may never know. SeGoli apha.
Upheka amanzi rice uyamaphayana ngezigubhu.
KuseGoli
Uvusa
apha.
nduku.
Apha kuseGoli,
Yes.
anything is possible.
Of course.
Yes, ndithengisa isembu zikagaba nama.
You know.
So yes, so now I'm coming back uyabona, obviously, because like I said, bendikhona apha eJoburg before uyabona.
Okay.
And then
So
that
first time awulapha eJoburg wawuphi wawuze kuba?
apha kwiJoburg zandize ngixukuqina. Okay, zanayo ifamily ezandihlala kuyo uyabona.
Okay.
But obviously, you know, sometimes with family izinto
Of course.
yeah, but I don't want to dwell more on that uyabona. So ndaphila ngohlala kwindlu.
Wafika wawuze ngama higher expectations wafika waphoxeka.
Ndafika ndaphoxeka. Aloku ndinala ngqondo sithi khiphe xa ufika eGoli uzofika uphumelele. Yazibona musizawube yabona qomba umtswebu why not yabona. Yanamlisha eJoburg.
Yeah.
Ndakusharp cool. So I had to move out endlini ke ngoku. Ndayohlala kwenye indlu studio uyabona. So it was a house that had a studio uyabona. Lapho khona dibana khona noZuku ke ngoku uyabona. Yeah, uZuku ufika phela ndisenza beats uyabona. Started joining I like this beat. Afika dlala keys engqima ngumalo dlala keys kamnandi kanje ngo.
Yeah.
Wabafuni uthethe isiXhosa. Hayi chomi yami le.
Buye,
Chomi yami le yabona. So yeah, we started pushing this thing so two noZuku uyabona. Sabe sincenge. At that time I was like, okay, yeah, uZuku is moving. So I was like, okay, let me just push umnganama ndisebenze with because imoto ehambayo ngoku uyabona. So iwin yakhe obviously win yami uyabona. So already saying I audience. So at that time I was this DJ. So anytime, every time he's going to a gig, I'm DJing for him. Yabona, so push the but then the moment the aleka ke mna ke uyabona because yena uZuku yena he had already figured it out yabona. Okay, so he was playing keyboard nasecaweni yabona. So he did had other means of making income too. Bakwazi usurvive yabona.
Ecaweni.
Yeah, yabona.
Kanti ezicaweni kuyabhatalwa isn't that part of tithing?
Siswami lo.
Ndiyabuza kaloku uba serving ecaweni isn't part of uba kuthiwe uyanikela. Xa unganikelanga ngemali kuthiwa nikela ngezandla zakho.
Segola. Uma start unikela ngezandla zakho. Uma start ngemantena akathi hayi ufuna kufake imali. But I think ziyashiyana necala.
No, I hear you. I was just being silly.
Yeah, I think ziyashiyana necala because I think zikhona ezenza njalo.
Yeah.
So I think ziyashiyana.
I think mna I believe that never work for free in anything that uThixo akunikeze yona.
Exactly.
That's what I believe. So I was just I was trying to be, when Zamba controversial in a sense. Because now, even nasecaweni, even if maybe bengeke bakunike imali engako as like payment, but a stipend. Because now you give yourself more time at church instead of you could be doing your other things. I think a token of appreciation and acknowledgement, it's needed.
Yes, it's true. Yeah. So back to the story. Yeah. So I moved and then I joined the Weka Uber, which is actually something that in Pilsai no. I'm not even afraid or ashamed to say by the no takes. No takes with superstar. That's what I call it.
2 days. No takes. Like
but you gotta survive, man. Yes, when I pay the like pressure I so the nens and retail and also go to Pambana you must have ingqondo yabona like no yabona swami igolide oyifumana igolide hleli phezulu plate uyayigubha yabona.
If you can't guba it, you must have money to buy it.
Exactly. So kufuneka ube mdaka in order to look clean. Am I making sense?
Mnandi yakuva.
Yeah.
So trust me.
Yeah. So you need to man, because you know your vision. Like back to Landbank, you must have a plan. You have a plan. So now how plan obvious yabona like icar game it's like imoto yabona imoto noba ngaba ne Lamborghini if ufaka ipetrol Lamborghini sorry
izo mapha and ifuna iyafuna service like any other thing.
Yeah. So izothini Lamborghini yakho izomapha egarage izohamba uzokuthiwa xa ubona ibhotsotse yama pha qomba yebo le moto njena
ibajaj
ibajaj kanti ibajaj yona inteni umuntu wayo ufake ipetrol. That's why same as career yakho ke bona if you don't put in ipetrol uyabona if you're not willing to invest with career yakho uyabona ayizuya ndawo uyabona. You need to take out, uyabona, money, suba liqolo ngecareer.
You need to spend money to make money.
Exactly. Uyabona, because ezinto zonke zidinga imali. Not to say about we are bribe or anything. No, you are investing in your career. Or invest kule moto yakuba mayihambe, because you can make a nice song if you are not investing on that nice song. Ayizuyanda izomanyelwa nguwe, nichomi yakho, nentombi yakho,
nomamakho, notatakho, nobhuti wakho, nosisi wakho, nabatshana bakho.
It will never reach in the audience,
Yeah.
uyabona. But the moment you start investing now on that project, on that one song that you have, uyakona imoto yakho ingahambe yofika nase-Eastern Cape iphinde ibuye naseDurban naseKapa, because intoni uyifaka ipetrol. So ke into babethayo most abantu athi umuntu ndimi endaweni eyi-1 ndiyacula, I'm good. No, it's not that about you're not good. It's because you are not investing in your career, uyabona.
But what is to invest in your career? Mhlambe people won't understand what exactly do you mean.
So as an artist, there are things such as a photo shoot that you need to do, promo videos, going out on radios, those things they need you to have
Socializing,
networking. Yes,
and vele most socializer now you spend money to come here.
Exactly, that's the money I'm talking about. You need the money to travel to come
photo
here.
shoot needs money.
You must take out money, give the person the money.
Yeah.
That thing can go within add a P value to your career. Even the audience, the people that are watching you, oh, I man, he's pushing most. So it just needs that. So you need to invest in yourself, in your career, because you are a brand. So
now kuma digital platforms, do you think it's important for people to do the promos there?
It's very important
for streams and all that.
So it's very important, because we don't really get the support that we expect sizoyifumana, and loo nto iyasibulala, uyabona. And ke ngoku uzozijonga wena ujonga omnye umuntu, yabona, uqomba hayi man umuntu wenza into ethile, une-numbers ezithile, makutheni, kanti laa mntu yena is promoting, he's adding money, yabona, he's adding, and so mfaka imali uzofumana imali, yabona. You need to take out money in order to make money, yabona. Uzenza njani imali kodwa kunzima nobooster into yakho kuba mayireach i-higher audience. Aloku you boosting or advertising, now you are enlarge into i-fan base yakho, it reaches more people than ba uyiposte nje ugqoyela phana asoyijonga. Yazi chomi zakho zidlula kanjani yakho ku-social media, bathi bebona uTakeyem usoyijonga onyani Takeyem. Next, kunzima noyishare, they would rather share into ebheke ecaleni than to share your stuff, yabona. So yabona ezo week afunekanga uzikhalele. Umablame abantu babhizi, yabona.
And I come to owe nothing.
So you must always make sure you have a way to secure okanye uyazi ba uzovala like gap, whether abantu are sharing or not sharing, but it reaches the audience, yabona. It's like that. I think about less more than it's a plan. You must always have a plan on what you are doing. Studio, you record, but there's no plan, there's no vision.
Have you ever been in an era where when umculo uphela ku WhatsApp kuwe nechomi zakho qha?
Yeah. I think you're London.
That's where you start.
Yeah. I think Lenin is that I feel 11. No man. I need to actually have a plan and sense umculo. I must not just go and then it's just
so mamela kula tavern esinxiba igama ukuthi uphelele Takeyem uyambuye lona
leno uxongena abantu kanisendla ngoma yakho ngoWhatsApp kaloku, uyabona, because uzibeke kula level yakuba ngifayile iBluetooth lengoma yakho uzawukhula kade. So xa inhle into yakho bebona abantu, they don't even give you that disrespect, they respect you and they support your craft, yabona. Yakuba ubunvile eqaleni nacho, you must lead, yabona. People will eventually follow.
You teach people how you want to be treated. I like this.
Yes.
And ongafuniyo ajike. Okanye ungathatha enye ikhevu.
Asincenga.
Watsho nomselo kathi baba thina sesala sincenga. Love it. Yeah. And now, how has Joburg has been for you as a person who had a plan as uMageza?
Okay.
And now, how do you balance? Because I know, but kaloku thina abantu basestratweni we give more time to that. How do you balance now for icraft yakho as well?
Okay. Okay, first of all, so I'm telling you, for the first time, sorry,
Yeah,
job
it's okay.
now. I am at peace, and the right, because now ndiyakwazi ucinga kakuhle ndizenzile in a sense of that now ndiyakwazi uzenza izinto bengakwazi uzenza before ngexesha lam, meaning now I have a space now, naso space sokuphumla, which is indawo endihlala kuyo, sokucinga,
and
so,
to be here. Oh man.
At the same time now I'm blessed and I'm privileged uba ndibe nayo nemoto to go to these places bengakwazi ukuya kuzo. So yes, I think, to be honest, the Uber was also a blessing to me, because in this Uber thing I've been meeting up with celebrities, I've been meeting up with Rashidi, like these managers, event organizers, like almost every weekend that's essential, like on something towards building my career, and I've been creating a lot of friendship, working friendship, I can be specific. So far izinto zihamba according ehlobo bendithandaza ndinqwena ngalo. Yes, I haven't reached the point endifuna uba kuyo, but there's a lot of growth from where I come from and apho ndikhoyo ngoku, so izinto zithe cuncembe zihamba smooth.
Oh, there's a word. Well, there's a word that I picked to take. Dizinzile.
Yes.
Oh, I think we all crave for such, where you shut the noises, so be at peace.
Exactly.
And the only way to get peace, you create one. Because also, I'll make you peace. But are you a peaceful person?
Yes.
Are you working towards the peace winner? Because the only time you can get that, you as Uchilo lead, they will follow. So if you lead people that this is how my peace should be, then we will respect your space, because that's the peace that you want, isn't it?
It's true.
And now, do you play your music while you're riding, like your beats, so that your music, let me call it music. Do you play your music while riding, and then get those people like, who's this? Hey, it's a nothing, eh?
Okay, yes, like Lens Shoba. I'm not going to be active away. All late, Mama, Zone, I play my music, sorry. Especially if I have a new song. Born, they done. Duke Joe. Tell me to you for Lemgo. I ask you, it's keep on.
Yeah.
I play Hopan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Khulman Guelo.
It's promoter physical.
Yeah. No Spotify. Yeah, no Spotify. The followers. Like, but when I'm on a good mood, I don't do that on
of course.
And also I check people.
You read the room, the energies and all that.
So, Tini.
But nobuthi as you said,
because
we're going through things as C country.
You must be you must be always focused. Yazi ba uzodibana nabantu abahappy, nabantu abanomsindo, nabantu abasedi,
nabaqhuba kakubi endleleni.
You must be always neutral wena. Noba mhlawumbe if like let's say okay right, like if ndiyaziva ndikho-brand, there's something I don't even start Monday because I don't want to be taking that to abantu, because this is like my side hustle, umsebenzi wami, into endiphilisayo apha eJoburg. So it's my plan. So ndiyawukhusela by all means, so if nami ndisebenza ngekho right, I don't go and work, ndisebenza xa ndiziba ndisemudini, ndiyazi uba
sometimes bills don't need your mood, Mos.
Bills on bills. So I try by all means to be right to
you uzama by all means to snap out of whatever that is happening, because the bills we need to pay.
And then get the money again, lenza be right. Imali iyandonwabisa. Imali ndenza just go and make some money. Yeah, then put it. So that thing of being able to make money, ilento indenza ndikhululeke, ndikwazi uba ndicinge kakuhle, ndikwazi nokwenza into zami apha eJoburg. Like last year after ndigqibofika, I think ndafika about August. July, August. September, October, and then sends ingoma. November, a music video. My first music video was playing on TV, which is also still playing now. Shout out to Sokani. She gave me my first hit song. And that girl is so talented. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, she's so pretty. And
Can
talented.
you please mention the title of the song?
It's called Emma Wayne.
Emma Wayne.
Takem EC featuring. It's in Eastern Cape. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Eastern Cape.
Why did you feel why you need to ube territorial and mention the EC at the ekugqibeleni? And that's my first question. Why you feel territorial to mention the EC part, and then why Uta KM? Uta, I understand, but why did you choose to call yourself Uta KM? Did you have other names prior to this official one?
Yeah, actually I did have a name. It was a rap name. It was called Duchain.
Duchain,
yeah. That was my rap name. I used to rap. But I was.
Who inspired your rap?
My rap
Back then, yeah.
Okay, yeah. There's this guy. There's a school of Kasi. But especially Kasi. There's this guy called Virus. Yeah. He used to rap so He used to rap so fast.
Okay, like who's this guy?
Virus
The American guy. Busta Rhymes. Yeah.
Yeah. But growing up, I used to love those fast rhymings.
Yeah.
So that guy, he inspired me and my niggas. We got so inspired. So we had a crew. It was called TFB. It was me, Soso, Olela, Tolisa, and then there was this other guy called CA. Yeah, that one was good. That one. Yeah, CA. So he used to come to us, and then he does the hooks for us, and then he does everything, even help us with the writing. CA was very good. It's still good even now. Yeah. But it was like, he doesn't rap anymore.
Where are they now?
He's here, this one. Yeah, he's here in Randburg.
Okay. So now the group, the people that you were with then, bakono babona basabambile lo journey le music.
How much time now? We tried.
Okay.
Yeah, we tried.
Yeah. Right, my chance.
Yeah, we're fit.
We tried.
Got you. But my friends, can I say one thing? They're so supportive, man. They're still doing the music, but obviously now it's about so responsibilities as a fan, abanye banezinto kufanele bezenzile so they don't have time ekugqibeleni uyipush yethu ayifani ivision yethu ayifani singabantu singaba kule nto one kanti wena you are in too deep and I feel like I was too deep to this music thing,
and to them it wasn't that deep. It was for fun for them at that time.
At that time. So I think I'm the one that actually took it by accident and ndayenza
umnyama kubomu
ndayenza but we did it. I think last year we recorded some songs that much time but you can feel man okay no man siyenza but asayenza le level okay sure say we are doing this thing.
But there's something that you mentioned that I liked earlier, Ute. When one of us can we just focus on that? Simvuyele.
Sure.
While you waiting for your turn. So let's hope that now, because it's your turn, theirs is coming as well. Klambe, you will inspire them uba nisukaphi and everything, and then uvuselele lesisilwane kubo,
Yeah, because the guys are really good. The guys are really good. Like so CA. Yeah, man, my friends, they're really good. But I just wish like me, I might have the time to do it, and then that's why I think I'm still doing it, and I never charge a much to end up blame me, because it's about
do you have children?
No, not yet.
Like a reason that I'm asking this question randomly is because I'm listening to what you're saying.
Guys, come on. They know. I know. So really watching, they know.
I tried.
And
I tried. I tried, guys. Because mhlambi kaloku ngokufuna baphana amanapukeni namabisi,
No, it's not that. Yeah, but why was that? I was gonna understand. I always shout at them, but I was doing especially this one. See, that one is because it's really good. I hope you can find this inspiration and then get back to the music. But I know, like I was saying, this music thing, it's not a time frame. After 5 years, but you can always go back because it's a lifetime.
In you.
Exactly. So and by play much them clams point of babu there are things that are still dealing with.
Yeah.
So umculo now is not something abayijonge. Maybe in the later on, maybe after 10 years, angangitashi ukuthi amathi amfethu ivukile la lapha.
So benenhlebe ezimhlophe.
We're still gonna do it,
Yeah.
because my brothers. But I love the fact that much time they're always supportive, they're always sharing my stuff, and they're always wishing the best for me.
Man.
So I really appreciate that about
Sabulela, guys.
Yebo.
Sabulela. And people don't understand how much those things mean to us.
Yes, yeah. No, yes, it gives us the inspiration, the motivation. Because no, sometimes
I wanna give up this nonsense.
yeah. But then ke ubona abantu bencoma into zakho be inspired, because we also inspire nabanye abantu
Yes.
uyabona, because because siphuma kulo ezinto we used to check them from afar uyabona, to be on TV uyabona izazinto, like we used to grow up sibona abantu team sithi yo I wanna be there one day uyabona. So
And now you
uyabona,
arrived.
now
You
because
arrived.
TV you realize but oh wow
Ukhona noChoyo right now, the same thing.
Eba hayibo lo muntu benhlonayo abanye bathi bathi bengumantshengulani nje lona wena beyisecurity ngokuseyilapha uyabona. So uyabona, that is also an inspiration to abanye abantu uyabona. Even the stories that I'm telling about from being drug what uyabona, so it's also inspiration to omnye umuntu osekonini uyabona. Like it's not the end of the life, man. You can still make the best of your life. You just need to
Instill it.
yabona ikhuphe le beast lapha kuya. You need to find yourself, and Jesus and God, you must always pray. Tell us balekile.
Why the name? Why the name that you're using now?
Takeyemi, see. Okay, so Takeyemi as Mosi Puma.
Yeah, initiation.
Yeah, so I didn't want to be DJ. Yeah, I did.
Okay.
So I wanted to move that DJ because I didn't want to be.
Oh, you didn't want to be DJ.
labeled as a DJ, yes.
So waqoma mawumfaka
Yeah.
Okay.
So that replaces with DJ. Yeah,
Okay.
Because I don't want people to buy as a DJ only banners, but I'm also a producer.
And
I just want-
songwriter.
Yeah. So I feel like I'm DJ is as
Yes,
limit.
box.
Yeah.
Love
So
it.
I decided like KM. So KM Kanyisa M it's Mbela, which is my second
Yes.
name. And then it's a pondering. I fought for Eastern Cape. I fought for.
Why are you so territorial? But I like it. I like it. I love it.
Okay, yeah, because a lot of people are like, okay, SA, Zuko is my friend. Zuko is I will come on. I can't be taking.
Senje khona banonke ni territorial. Hayi akaqoqona ba xa ingazumfaka uSA uzobe engarepresent country.
Exactly.
Love
Yeah,
it.
so it's Eastern Cape. Just represent a pond to the world.
Yeah. Love it. We are capable.
Yes.
The first president, the black president in South Africa was from EC.
I fought for freedom.
Was from EC.
Yes, yeah, I know.
Nesino la
And
EC.
trust me, man, there's a lot of talent, man, in Eastern Cape. There's a lot of talented actors, singers, poets. Yeah, but it's just that politician. It's just that, man, it's unfortunate for us in Eastern Cape. We don't have the
resources.
Yes.
But what do you think it makes Eastern Cape to be neglected so much when it comes to that people have to leave their own province that they are proud of, like you being a proud Eastern Cape person? What do you think it makes this whole thing about lacking our resources and in many things, like the feeling that
Okay, yeah. I think that thing, first of all, Tina, us as artists in Eastern Cape, we are not united. Yeah, if you can check other provinces, most of them, they are united.
Limpopo, for an example.
Artists, once you guys are united at a certain place, it's easy to get izinto from your municipality and stuff. From the events that you are hosting, you manage to get support and stuff, and even funding. Tina Pioneers Co-United.
Okay.
Okay, bakhona ba United ne.
Yeah. Some.
Yeah, but asimanginanga, we are not pushing Tina like kakuhle man, like enough, we will have some talent artists, but akayinda umuntu uphelela kwaphaya Eastern Cape, radio station wise is not getting airplays, akaphonothwa i-radio would rather play umuntu ngapha overseas.
KZN, because mawumamela umhlobo wenene uzodlala umaskandi kakhulu more than what we have Tina, the
And
Eastern
then
Cape.
most listeners ngabantu base Eastern Cape, which is not a bad thing to play umculo ezinye provinces, but yabona, you must try to also push your local artists, yabona, push your artists, yabona. That's when I think if we can get that thing must be united, that's when we can also attract nabanye abantu, yabona, to invest, yabona, because abantu ba investor kwinto emuva bayibona ba it's alive. Xa ubona abantu promoters azichayisana ne-artist azichayisana abantu basemasipala ngilona wenza lona ngile group yenza into yabo xa yenze event invite abantu babo aba benza into yabo, it's hard to move kanjalo yabona. So zezaweke ubona ba zibanga i-growth yase-Eastern Cape yabona iba yenzeke yabona, because umuntu ngilona uzimele uyabona, nomnye unezinto uzogxoba
and ayikho into ongayenza wedwa. People should understand no M2 wathi umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu.
Exactly. And some of them they are comfortable by Eastern Cape, like okay, pelele mina apha yabona, this is what I do, I'm making this much, I'm doing this, it's enough for me yabona. Yeah, I wish like some of the people I can take them just to experience yabona life without Eastern Cape yabona.
And life without TV, because sometimes whatever that is shown there, it's literally not even a quarter of what Joburg is.
Exactly. Yeah, so yeah, man. I think the body is just us being not united, this better, because I believe we can be united, heavy events, youth building, that could help a lot, because up at Joburg, umntana ngibona sencinci nje artist nje seyifandwa, like iyakwazi nofumana izitudio, like everything yenzeka apha without even taking out money, yabona. Eastern Cape kubanzima kufumana opportunities njalo, yabona. That's why iseleka kwizinto ezininzi, yabona. But trust me, the talent is there. Talent is there. It's amazing. There are a lot of amazing people, Bayana. Like so much is amazing.
I just hope this mhlambi izonika a bit of light kwabanye abantu ukuthi unity is very important and it's critical.
Exactly.
They need to understand. We need to understand that. And not just the Eastern Cape. I think nje kuyatsho izandla ziyahlambana. You understand that it's the reality. There's nothing ongayenza uyi-one.
Never so.
And then I want to know the people that you've worked with so far.
Okay.
Like artists that you've worked with that you believe ukuthi it was like kubona mawufika uba ngoku yabona ngoku sensebenze nobani. I wish you could state them and then unixelele the feeling of working with them.
Okay.
And then I want us to talk about your current single. I want us to talk about the EP that you're working on as well. Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so far in my life, I have worked with Scandi Soul. He's a good vocalist. Also plays keys, drums. He's very talented. I have
Tichonge izandla ze-construction. This is a lie.
I'm telling you, I even have pictures.
No, I believe you. I'm just joking. You've got nice hands.
I know, thank you. So I've worked with Scandi Soul. I've worked with Sokana. I've worked with AP from Eastern Cape. I want to bring him back to you. I'm going to bring him in Joburg. Okay. He's very talented. It's called AP. Gave me a hit song in Eastern Cape. AP. What else am I forgetting? Oh, Zuko SA. One of the giants that I've worked with so far. To Zuko SA. I wouldn't say it's like, I'm excited as much as because it's your person. So we've been creating music together before we even send the features. And I think our first song we did it back in 2018. It was a Gqom song. By the way, Zuko, I'm the first one to do a Gqom song. That one's a side Gqom.
And now there's something Askisi while we're still talking about Uzo. I'm not ignoring other questions that I asked.
Sure.
Bendino Nombidana the other day, Snare.
Snare, that's a close friend of mine.
We had a very great segment. And then later on we spoke about Uzuko, but off camera. This is Hlele. And he mentioned, okay, so ndimbonisa picture a friend yam, uThembisa. And uThembisa, she looks like the lady ulenza namfeature leg lengoma leyana yakhe. And I heard uba akasaphila.
So
I was shocked.
Oh wow.
I didn't know.
Yeah. I think it happened a year or a few months later after the release of the song.
What happened?
To be honest, man, I don't want to dwell in there.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm not sure of what really happened.
Yeah.
But we lost him, man. I think it was like 6 months after the release. I'm not sure of the time duration. Yeah. But it was around that era of the song when the song was starting to boom. Everyone, unfortunately, and she was so talented. And Uzuka was also working on their album. I should believe
with her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was because in Dimbone's picture, and then he told me the story. I was like, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Oh man, may his soul continue rest in peace. Yeah.
Yeah, but man. So I've worked with these guys so far.
Yeah.
Zuko, Skandi Soul, Sokana, KT, AP. Yeah. So yeah.
And then the single. The current single. What is the title?
It's Uthando Lwami Impela.
Uthando Lwami Impela.
Can I sing it for you?
Yeah.
That's Skandi Soul. But Skandi Soul sings so nice. So it's Skandi Soul featuring Skandi Soul.
Uthando Lwami Impela.
Yeah.
Uthando Labo Jonas.
No. The real one. Yeah. You can see Skandi sang it from the heart. So it was around February. It's all love and stuff. So I was on a call like, hey, as in, I need to do something, man, for Valentine's. So I was like, going to call with Skandi, man, I have this idea, man, I want to do this song. I want to do a song, a love song, and I want you to feature a female, and then I had KT has been my
very bad.
Yeah, we've been in primary together, and then Mculo waphinda reunite up at Joburg.
Nice.
So you're like, okay, I get a name, it's meant to be.
Yeah,
she's one of the artists that I'm going to be working with a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. So Skandi, let's do this thing, man. It's kind of like, he's forever ready to Skandi.
Yeah.
It's like, bro,
it's
like, bro, I already have an idea. Let's go to studio.
Yeah.
So we went to studio. Shout out to Teddy. Teddy, man, is the one that's behind my music videos. And he's also the one that's been helping me with mixing and mastering my project. So I called Teddy and organized a studio session. So we went to Roadkey Entertainment. So bizwa komkhulu kuthiwa Roadkey Entertainment.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where everything happens.
Komkhulu. Yes. The kingdom.
Yeah, kwaza nengoma.
Yeah.
Shout out
njengoba banyeza nemvulo kwaza nengoma.
Mr. Teddy. Yeah, if you be Mr. Teddy, so right, whether it's visuals, whether it's music production or mixing and mastering, everything it happens. So I called up Teddy, a good friend of mine. I said, Teddy, I have this thing, man. Can I please come and record? Teddy, I mean, no stress, come. I went there, recorded the song. Hey, we really loved the song. And then the moment we dropped the song, hey man, we got a positive feedback. The song now I think is sitting on 99,000 streams, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
From February.
Yeah.
Guys, like it's not easy.
It's not easy.
What?
Yeah, but we're grateful, man.
That's what I'm saying. No. I'm saying like I see you. I see you.
Yeah. And from working without a manager, no record label, it's just you pushing your stuff, So yeah, man, we've been getting a lot of positive feedback, and that also inspired us and motivated us to shoot a music video. So like, guys, let's shoot a music video. I called Teddy and Mr. Luyanda Zitulele, another close friend of mine that also shoot music videos. So they worked in the end, Luyanda and Teddy, and then they shot this amazing music video that I can't wait the world to see. And Chris Brown from Demo.
Why emotion?
Yeah, but the guys, they made sure I look good. So we shot that music video. It's currently going to be, because my plan was to drop the music video when I reach 100,000 streams. Okay. Yeah, but now I'm still on 99. I'm getting
we are, which is maybe ngomso.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah,
so now I'm getting that pressure. I'm like, yes, I need to drop this thing. But shout out to Mr. Teddy again, because they finished the music video and now it's now ready. And now we're just planning with the team, which date is going to be suitable, because we also don't want to drop it while there's this thing. So we want to drop it that's you're going to right. We just pray.
Because often bahambe nengoma yakho.
Man, our fellow brothers, man. Which is
often bahambe nengoma yakho.
Please, man. So man. So we are still on the chats with the team about which date is going to be suitable for the music video, because also you cannot just drop a music video without a plan. plan. We need a plan on how we structure, how we're gonna push the music video. Because you must do it in a professional manner. Out of excitement, but I bad by man to the music video, kind of plan to push the music video, and then a bit disappointed when you get the numbers that you didn't expect. So it's just that now we are working on the single is pushing already. The music video is done. I want the songs on 99,000 streams.
Yes, man.
I want to be thank the Lord for that.
Amen.
I want shout out to even Soprizi. He's also been helping us a lot in terms of helping us push our music. Man, these guys, TikTok just brings all these people, man. They become a blessing in my career because they are helping me a lot to push. So that's just that. And then after this, now I'm just gonna chill because there's an artist that I'm pushing, which is KT. For now, I'm focusing more on a single. We are working on a single. She's gonna release her single because it's like an artist that we are introducing in the industry.
Okay, gotcha.
Very, very talented.
Yeah.
Oh, la ntombazana. Oh. Voice of Puma, she has a nice voice.
I'm gonna after this I'm gonna show you someone who looks like you. Even in a character, like the feeling at in right now, nation, like trust me. Even people who always watch us, they will attest to that. You will see.
Sure. So now. Before my EP, my EP is set to drop later on this year. I've got some trick. It's gonna be like an EP of 5 songs, soulful piano.
Why? What inspires you to dwell more on love stories or love music?
No,
I'm asking what inspires.
Okay. I don't know, man. I don't know. Sometimes being a producer, and sometimes easily they just come into your mind. But obviously, when you are working on a project, you want the project to make sense. Because
so if it's a love album, it should be about. If it's Mabaham album, it should be about that.
So it's a love album. Maybe a breakup. I miss you. Uba uyangiqhela ke ngoku uyabona uyanjonasa ndiyakuthanda yabona siyathanda nabona. So for now my inspiration yabona it came from this song yabona. This song gave me a direction. Okay, no, if I can do something ngale piece ngale
mhlambe nami funeka ndifane no Donald. Talk of the love I know I deserve. Love I deserve. I'm just saying.
Just chill my chain now.
I'm just saying because we used to call him love guru, isn't it? That's where you should focus.
I think as someone a creative, like you must always structure around what you are doing, so that you don't confuse your audience. If a band not that you cannot, you are limiting yourself or anything. There's still time to do as easy, but if you want to do, if like you say you want to do a storytelling EP, my okay, there's a direction from track number 1. We born a the
picture. I love what you just said, because as you're saying that, in my mind, we know somehow ubuyele emakhaya, ubuyela kwi-family structure, uba ndibizelena umama aphinda athi uyavimba umalumekazi usinika amaqatha amancinci, abantu belali.
Usilane bona ukufaka ngokulizwe lakhe yabona. Now uzipicturesha phayana because now it makes sense from track number 1 to the last track yabona. There's a story behind everything, like uyakwazi ukurelate now, like uyakwazi like indlebe yakho awuthi unathi gqibe ethetha ngento ngothanda, ngefamily thuzu ngokuseyithetha ngesigebenga ngokuyabona or seyithuke na yabona ukomba ke ngulahlekile from track number 3 behamba kahle, track number 4 kwenzeka ntoni track number 5 yabona. So you must always back to land, you must always plan on whatever you are doing. So you must plan uyazi nabantu because aloku lento ogqibena uyenzele wena, you are doing for abantu yabona. So you must check abantu how you can attack the people, what intoni wenza isense ebantwini yabona. So it's about that yabona. That's the EP. So it's soulful yabona, pholile, nice vibes. Sundays
are for lovers vibes.
Sundays are for lovers. for me, Sundays to make money is for money.
Yes.
Make money on Sundays, but it's fine. So yeah, I mean, it's just those vibes. For me, even when I'm DJing, my set is more soulful, like Kevin Momo style, Chaivane. I'm more of a soulful person. After talking
you know kuzo zonke izinto akho nto ndiyifeyila njengegqom nepiano as a South African.
Njani?
Guys, I don't get it. Ikhona laa gqom yaseDurban, ikhona laa gqom yase-Eastern Cape mos.
Bekhona eseKapa.
And yaseKapa andikaze ndayiva kodwa I know I can differentiate uba le yase-Eastern Cape. Guys, andi-understand yonke le nto.
Yeah.
It's hard for me. Even, okay, ipiano, I could relate xa ndise-grooving. Hayi, bethuna igqom iyandohlula.
Right, Gons, you don't have to relate. You don't have to understand.
I just have to go crazy.
You just have to dance.
Hi.
Yes, you just have to sweat. And then don't stop. You must dance until your armpits start smelling. What most sit? Yeah, that's enough. That's enough for the day. So
I believe. I'm sorry. Please don't come for me, South Africa. Igqom was meant for abantu abadla uqo.
Yeah, no.
Because Nandi Max and this guy, you could tell that he just had it. Gosh, he danced.
Yeah,
I even have the video.
Yeah, no. Maybe anyway. It's up to you. It's up to you. As judge God.
Was it necessary?
Yeah,
I think for together age betuna. Like, come on,
yeah, like yabona swami Glendon, yabona mosumculo is versatile. There are type of genres. Yabona ukho into likompo.
Yes, he says my Limpopo.
So there are different types of music genres.
And then why? I don't know if it's gqom, but why the Eastern Cape version in Alando yecawenyana?
I think those are
in the fields there, zonontente kancinci but like ngathi kunento ecawenyana phakathi nje ne-instrument ye.
Yes, I think and I'm not, I think this is my opinion because of many producers yabona. Abantu abaninzi abadlala igqom like abaproducer igqom e-Eastern Cape. Abanye babo they badlala ezicaweni. They play keyboard from church. So mna if ndibethe isigubhu mna zawutatsha ichomi yami edlala ecaweni izonifakela ikeys. Yabona ke akuzalwane kanje yabona. Awufake mfowethu le yakhe. So idibani njalo.
You answered. Thank you.
So I think most of that yabona abantu sibasebenzayo to play chords for us. It's abantu abadlala nasezicaweni yabona. Yeah, so that's why you end up
that's cawe
vibes. But baninzi man, there are types of genres. I mean gqom abazenzayo phana. Sikhona nezifana zase-KZN ezifana seKapa yabona. I think just depends on the producer and then the style as Tandai.
If you were given a chance to choose 5 local people to work with, ongakaze wasebenza nabo.
Okay.
Ungakhetha ubani and abroad ungakhetha ubani 5.
Okay. For are you singers, why you DJs or producers?
It doesn't matter because you are a versatile person. So I'm just gonna lay to baketa.
Okay. For the vocal singers. I'm sensible as a
No.
Okay. Let me see. One talented, I like Tattoo Hearts.
Tattoo Hearts, it's been mentioned a lot of time in the studio.
I like that girl.
Tattoo Hearts was mentioned even Nangu KK RSA. He's a producer as well. He did mention her.
I Tattoo Hearts. She's nice, that girl. I like to work with her, vocal wise. Number 2, which other female vocalist? Mahu. Okay, no, not Mahu. Let me see. Elaine.
Okay.
I'm not Elaine.
No.
Call him and tell him and tell him Mangolas R&B, man.
Overseas.
No, Walap.
Yeah.
Elaine.
Does what say? What's for me? You're the one.
Walap,
are you for real?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys.
Wait, Elaine. Wait.
Or
them clean?
I don't know. How long I thought she's from abroad.
I think Walap.
I know you're the one.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, you have a nice voice. I should feature you on
Ay, andikho mna
I
apha.
count you as number 3. On my top 5, I count you as number 3. You have a nice voice. I count you as number 3. Okay, Uzinqumalo, I also like your vibe, Shem. Yeah.
Yeah,
Zinqumalo
yeah.
is a-
Yaziye.
Yeah, she has a nice vibe and she's versatile. She can play with her vocal,
Mm.
yabona, so she's definitely there. Kelvin Momo, I like his sound. Yabona, I get a lot of inspiration from him.
Mhm.
I like his chilled vibes, yeah. And then, number 5 for Mande Ngogo. Who would be number 5?
Masikhethe producer one.
Producer.
Mm.
There's this guy called Omit. Ne?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know Omit.
yeah.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
really good.
Yeah.
He's really good. He's really good.
Mm.
I like to work with him.
Omit, I think uke wasebenza na this guy lo ocula no it's nale ngoma hamba
Yeah, he works with them.
hamba
Yeah, he works with
yeah.
them a lot. Yeah,
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 so
Omit-
I know him. Yeah.
Omit ST. Yeah, he's
Yeah.
really good. He actually helped me with the song Thando Langempela.
Oh,
So
nice.
say, I also put some hands there.
Mhm.
But shout out to Omit ST. Yeah, so yeah, I would like to work with him. Nice studio.
Yeah.
Guess born producer Zugo is a very dope producer.
Really, Uzuko produces.
He produces
Askisi
himself.
Zuko. Mina guys, yazi
Yeah.
Uzuko, I need to mention this. Uzuko ufike ngexesha that was very scary in my life.
Yeah,
Unyana mwayiyongena entabeni.
sure.
And now you hear these noises ba xa abantwana xa besuka ku-initiations baye batshintshe behavior baye bathini. And the only way for me to talk to my child at that time, it was through Zuko's words.
Yeah, let's put Zugo and then let's put also Ted. Yeah,
Okay.
Ted. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. No, those guys are very good. It's just that especially Ted is very good. But it's just that yabona gagaziwa kakhulu ne. But
Okay.
it's no but it's and there's bucunga njalo mfana, but it's so intelligent.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, let's put Ted. Yeah. So we have
Elaine.
Elaine,
We've got Uzinqumalo.
Zimangalo, Tato Hearts,
We've got Omit
Ted.
and Zuko.
Yeah.
Okay. And then abroad.
Ooh, Alicia Keys.
Oh,
Come
I keep on falling
here. Oh, come here, Alicia
in and
Keys.
out. Yeah.
And then, let me see. Alicia Keys. Don't ever cook Chris Brown.
Oh, Chris Brown is my fave of all days. Any mood, anytime.
Who doesn't want to work with Chris Brown?
Yeah.
yeah. Because he's got a nice voice. I'm just
Yeah.
dancer. I mean, I'm going to again. That will switch up my career.
Forever. Fixed.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's this guy called Jay something.
Okay.
Yeah, he's really good. Also sings. Producer, yes, Dr. Clay. How? Kotlanjani. Who else? Tell me about kanje abantu nango. Angicula yona. Khola ucula ngoma we.
Okay.
Jeremiah, who's that?
I don't know. Yeah. Jeremiah.
Yeah, that guy can sing. Yeah. One year, one
Kanja maybe ngoma Jeremiah I used to like.
Yeah, that guy used to. I don't know.
Yeah, I just forgot, but this song that
there's
is in my
some
head.
songs that he did.
Yeah.
Where did he go? That guy go? Because he had a good voice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so yeah, I think those are the guys that I'd like to work with. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, KT, the artist I'm working with, that guy is powerful. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. Definitely the one. Because she's my number one. Kubo Bonk.
Yeah, that is why we are on Buze Kalba. None of sense of that no.
Yeah, she's
Because of
my-
Buso mentioning.
she's my number one. She has a nice voice. And what I
Yeah.
love about her is that she's hungry. She wants this thing.
Yeah.
It's easy to work with her. She makes things possible.
You know what they say? They say a lion hunts better if the lioness is as hungry.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I get it. I get it.
Yeah, exactly.
And then are you open for bookings? And then if so, where can people find you?
Yeah.
And then tell us about Ama digital platforms where we can get you music.
Yeah. So I'm available for bookings, yabona. For DJing, yeah, I'm available. I play soulful piano, I play gqom, I play two step, I play baqanga,
Maskandi.
whatever you want. You just tell me ndikhona ndifikeleleka.
Nabo bayenza inantsike emakhaya umngeniso. Call him.
I'm kidding.
Wamuhle mntanomu.
So I'm everywhere.
Got you.
Ndikhona siswami. After tears, book me ndikhona ndijaji. As long as imali ikhona ndikhona.
After tears nalapho uzofika udlala ijoyous while isela.
Siswami.
Got you.
Yeah. Even for studio sessions. If you want to book a studio session with me, because I'm not just a DJ, I'm also a producer. You want to book a studio session, doesn't matter whatever genre you want, gospel, house, piano, gqom, R&B, hip hop.
Even net genre ngeka exist if you have it, bring it.
If it's in your mind, bring it. You're gonna find a way. Yeah. So you can just follow me on my socials. StarKM, Instagram, StarKM EC, Facebook, StarKM EC, X. Twitter,
X, Black Twitter.
StarKM EC, IGK. Okay. TikTok, StarKM EC.
YouTube,
StarKM EC.
Spotify,
StarKM EC. Song StarKM EC.
Snapchat. Mix it.
Go black zani nguprim catcher zani nginqakula amaphupho. Yeah, I miss those days. Hey man, life used to
BBM.
Don't check my BBM. Zani ngubani BBM? Yo, uyonkinga zani lamagama sinathi mangana ngizicina. Yazi zamcela igama lithi prim catcher. What the fuck are you even thinking? I'll catch your dreams. That was me.
But you are, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you're catching people's dreams through your craft right now, isn't it?
So yeah. Actually, some prim catcher.
Exactly. There are people you're working, they putting their vocals, you're cooking. So now you caught their dreams and then you put it out there. Come on. You saw this.
From now on, I'm prim catcher issue. That prim catcher issue. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's actually smart. I didn't even think of it that way. But yeah, man, but I'm on Facebook, I'm on Insta, I'm on TikTok, and also Instagram, StarKM EC.
Yeah.
TA space KM space EC.
Love it.
Yeah. And then there's also my number there if you want the plan B. Ufuna uthetha ibusiness uyabona ungathetha esibhicaleni
ke abo bachamekileyo bafuna usenda ama viewers nabo bangawasebenzisa lama namba
bangawasebenzisa sosamba mina ndingumuntu okhohlakeleyo selfish obanqandayo abantu abafuna ukuthi talent yakhe. If you feel like ufuna ukusendela viewers and ufeel ngathi right for you for wena, I'm not gonna feel free. Angizokujaja. I mean, like, uphuhlisa italent yakhe mina.
Where my homes I ufuna uzi-expressa
nentombi.
I'm your dream catch.
You're welcome.
And then I want to ask you this. I'm very curious.
Yes.
You are a handsome
Thank you.
someone. You've got a vibe. You are smart. You are talented. You're a whole package. How do you survive now? Oba umakeza, because I know they are such.
Yeah.
Because they tried me even Joma, it's my second day. Sure. And I was buying up my number. And nowadays, obviously, it doesn't happen only to guys who wants to ask for numbers to ladies. How do you avoid that for you to keep going? I
think so. Ibalekile into yokuqala to understand ba into oyenzayo uyenzela ntoni na uyabona. Yeah, what is the reason for le nto oyenzayo uyabona? What do you want to benefit from it? Kanye ufuna ungena ntoni enzayo uyabona? And then you focus uyabona, because if like you have a vision why usenza le nto oyenzayo uyabona, then you know ezinye izinto zizokuphazamisa uyabona. Ezinye izinto sisam they come as a distraction ebomini bakho uyabona.
Yes, as you said earlier, uSatan uyafuna ukucinezela vele.
Yeah. So if mhlawumbe umuntu ophilela loo nto uyabona, then you can do that thing uyabona, because yenzeka loo nto especially the weekends uyabona.
Uyabona ndithi kuwe anamali kena
Yeah, but
Ndikuzame ngesipash maboy.
yabona
Yeah.
so like it depends ba wena ithini into yakho
Yeah.
yabona. Obviously uyamshita sometimes uyawutempteka yabona, but if you know i-plan and
Going back to the drawing board.
lento endiyenzayo kaloku andenzile ukuba mandizoshiyela i-students asoma-UG, mandishele mandithatha abantu umntu xa isithi akanamali yobhatala, mandenze ezinye i-means yabona, because ezaa zinto zeziyana ziphinde zisibuyelele ziphinde zisibethe uzibone so behind bars vele ungekho aware ngayo uyabona. So you must be able to control yourself uyabona, you must know the reason why uyenza into uyabona, so that xa kusenzeka into ezithile ungabikho excited, because there always going to be temptations.
Of course.
Even when you are DJing this music career thing, when you are DJing, there always going to be girls throwing themselves at you uyabona. So when you need to be focused, be in top of your game by all time, but what's the reason uyenza anything, unless go uyenzela ke hayi ke iway, then you can do that lifestyle. But if you know you have a vision and you still have plans on life, okay, as by into ezithile, they're gonna throw you back, so you're not gonna exhaust your energy on the focus on those things.
Love it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that. I want to ask you this. If uthi xa ngomso uyakukhumbula yintoni into ofuna ukukhumbula ngayo?
Hard work. So I work hard. I wanna be remembered as a hard worker more than anything. Because I believe that's what I do each and every day. I make sure it's a mission. I must accomplish something. So yeah, I wanna be remembered as a hard worker. And umntu abantu nasisi wami like I like to see abanye abantu bewina yabona. Mina sisi wami ngavuyela wena babuwina wena more than winner.
I heard you from Uzuka. I was like, wow. It's not something I think futhi, just to add on that, I believe that you that person, because being this person or producer wenza yonke lonto leyo, ixesha eninzi wena uba behind you behind the scene, kugqama i-vocal and everything, and that makes you happy.
I'm good with that.
So I hear you.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm happy. As long as there's song we are winning, that makes me happy. So man, I think that's more than anything, but I would like to be remembered of my hard work, because if I can tell you, I'm exaggerating, but when I was a security, when city lane, TV, they don't know the behind the scenes. But I don't sleep. I work the whole night. I make sure so that I can sustain life. It's not easy, but if I complain,
thank you.
Yeah. And so prayer is important. So yes, I'm one person and I without a prayer, source of pain. You can lie to everyone, but you can never lie to God. If it's in your book, you pray before you start your day. And also, I'm telling you, everything's smooth going back. Don't forget about but make sure each and every day you have a conversation with God. Always make time for Him. Umkhumbuze nangomso ningadikho, because sozadikwe kuye yabona izinto zakho uzozibona zisenzeka, you won't understand, urealize sozayibona into ethile sendiyachivile, and usabona uba there's still more coming yabona, but you see uba uyagada yabona. And I also thank uThixo, because I'm still focused, because I always talk to Him each and every day yabona. So He's always giving me that focus, but say man, fit man, I've got you yabona. Usahlele brand, uzondela apartment yakho, like we are grand, we've got food, your music is playing on TV, your numbers are going yabona. So you're going to have a smooth.
Just adding on that, ekhona uthi ngenye imini, a church is not a building. A church is you.
Yes.
Athi khawufana ucinge uba utata akho okanye abazali bakho awuthethi nabo more often, uvelelwa ingxaki ngoku.
Yes.
Ufika so uyabafowunela uyabaxelela uba uvelelwe ingxaki, ucifa i-response yabo yokuqala izothini? Izothi ngoba ngoku uxakekile uyasazi. So is God. So this thing of you saying ba you should have a conversation with your God every now and then, because uba uhlala uthetha naye akuzofuneka ubuyoyiqala emva ngoku lento ekuxake ngoku, ngoba He's in check with you all the time.
Yes, it's true.
I like it.
Yes, it's true. So, and so yabona, that's the only person that you can cry to. Because nguye yedwa unozokunceda kuzinto. I can't. Ndingenza endinokwenza like might be.
And ungadikwa kaloku xa sekuyixesha futhi ke wena.
Igqibeleni but akasoze adikwe and it's always going to make sure akasoze abeke ingxaki ayazi uba unokwazi uyi-overcome. Yeah, you just need to make sure when as a person you just keep on praying and you push man ungaziyekeleli yabona ngizophila kayi-1 man like only have one life uzoyeka ungazamanga
kwaphela ichayi.
Enjoy your life man yabona, enjoy your life, be responsible man yabona, always plan around what you're doing yabona, don't just do yabona, because to wake up it's a blessing on its own yabona, so you're already blessed, just make sure man you do the best yabona out of yourself. Yeah. Don't waste time on all these damn things, and we know sometimes we know izinto ezisibambezelayo yabona, but we tend to do them either ways regardless uhlale wedwa phayana. Yabe ngikhe ndalinxele at some point sibona uba utywala buyandilibazisa, but I would go back and drink xa ndiphinde ndibuye futhi ndiphinde ndisola.
So and ngoku sola sonepapalazi
kaloku ngamanye so siyazazi ezinto ezisilibazisayo, let us not ignore them yabona, but let's work towards
and be willing, because it starts as you said by iqala kuwe and you should be willing to change.
Yes, it is true. So njalo.
What is that one thing right now ofila uba ingumsimelelo wakho wayiva? It doesn't matter to who. What is that one thing osimelele ngayo wawuke wayicekiswa ngusomeone ngayo okanye wawuyive somewhere that keeps you going? That's just that word or those words.
Answer man, it's not to give up yabona. Yabona lamazwi yani yabona ba keep on pushing yabona, keep on pushing yabona, and ihlobo ethetha ngalo umuntu and I have been understanding ngayo ba izinto might not happen ngelixesha ufuna zenzeke ngalo, but just because azenzekanga doesn't mean azokwenzeka, so suchafa, just keep on pushing, keep on going. Yeah.
So Trevor, no, just because big things are happening it doesn't mean small ones are not.
Exactly. Uyabona siswami, and you must appreciate nezi zincinci zenzekayo. Uyabona siswami, because a blessing, whether it's big whether it's small, as long as it's a blessing you must be always appreciate lokho unako.
Just ukuphefumula ngokusihlela lapha it's a blessing.
Exactly.
Uyabona,
because khona bangakwazi nobona, bakwazi uhamba bakwazi udrive, thina we are blessed enough basikwazi ubana zonke
nophahla mfana uyabona njengokuyabantu khona ungazazi nobuzolalaphi.
Exactly. Yabona, so you must be grateful for the small things that you have, because abanye abantu ezinto zincinci nazo they pray for them yabona. So you must always be grateful, and kwaye into manje must celebrate whatever achievement that you're getting, whether it's small. Mhlawumbe umntu wine 20 million wena wine 50 rand, la 50 rand bungenayo uyiphiwe la 50 rand winile, accept it yabona, so that naxa sokufika la 50 million izofika ukwazi
ungumuntu obulelayo.
Exactly.
And then wasinalo ba uNkulunkulu angizame ngemitha ngizokuprovela uNkulunkulu
20 meter. Yes.
So now I want you to take you to this moment where funeka ubuyele kukhanyisa uyocela uxolo kuye, and I want you uhambe uye ku KM, is it KM, right?
Yes.
Uye ku KM uyo and applaud him. What is that one thing you would want to say qala kukhanyisa ucela uxolo kuye?
Yeah, I feel like Khanyisa was okay, still is is a person umuntu ebe ambitious kakhulu yabona, like always like had vision and dreams yabona, but Khanyisa disappointed himself ngokwezinto adlule kuzo wazifaka kuzo yabona. That costed him a lot of time yabona. Uzibambisele kakhulu, uzibuyisele umva kakhulu, but also I am grateful for those things that happened, because they are the one that built the character ndiyiyo ngoku yabona. I wouldn't be this KM that I am right now if I didn't went through those things and adlula kuzo. Now I'm wise to enough to know why into ethile mangayiqali noyiqala, because
amanzi ayatshisa ngele xesha ubuxelela uba ungawaphambi lamanzi wona wathi kutheni. Yeah.
So Khanyisa went through all these things yabona, so to ubekho uta KM that is going to be better, uta KM on experience yabona, So uTakeyem, as much as ebengumuntu okhanyisa uye wago through yonke lento, it was a sacrifice of being a better khanyisa in the future, uyabona, because I was excited, man. I was being papa and like I was taking life lightly, yabona. Life had to humble me. Ndibethakala indlule kuzo zonke izinto endlule kuzo, yabona, so that I can be this person that I am now. Now I'm way wiser than the person that I was. Ingxaki ndibona sekude ngoku, yabona, and the peace, like I try to protect myself from everything that I know can destroy me, yabona, because I've been in the ground. Yabona, I've been in the lowest. Nobody can tell me about Ntsokolo. Ndiyazi Ntsokolo. And Ntsokolo, I know ukuthi ayikheso lethi ngikheso no Ntsokolo nzenzele ngokwami. I've let myself down. But ke uThixo kwazi ngipha amandla to lift myself up again, ndiphinde ndibeke ndawo ndikuyo. Manje undilift ke apho more wiser, sendizoyika ezinye izinto bengaziqopheki, hayi yabona le ndiyayazi. Nje ndiyayazi, I know exactly. So yeah, Takeyem and I'm appreciated because Takeyem and Mbona is really ambitious and I'm proud of him, yabona, because Takeyem now he sees the vision now.
It's clear.
It's clean. He has a plan and he's patient. But he's just doing his video. And I know Takeyem, he knows there's still a lot that's going to happen in his life. So it might not happen now, but he's grateful for whatever is happening at this moment. He's enjoying his cruising nice and smooth.
Love it.
So yeah, that's just that.
And then is there anything you're feeling at we didn't touch base right now?
No, so I'm like, I feel like I've covered everything. Just to want to emphasize the part of like the artists, yabona, that especially the ones that are back at home, yabona, and the phone about yabona, being an artist, it doesn't just end up price studio or record ingoma, kupe ingoma, and then uphumelele, yabona. You need to invest. You need to invest in yourself, in your craft, yabona. Always look clean, always look the part, yabona. Check your surroundings, check your environment, know the people to associate yourself with and the people that are gonna take you down. Yabona. And this thing, yabona, it's not about you to move into Joburg, yabona, because not all of us can be fortunate to move in Joburg. Wherever you are, make the best out of what you have. Yabona. Because you can be blessed to some kukwini, you can be blessed to say jelly, you can be blessed to say spelele, yabona. So this thing is not about usegoli okanye usekapa okanye useqonqa. You must make the best out of kuyo and what you have, yabona. You must invest in yourself, yabona. And this music thing, yabona, in reality yayo, it's not gonna pay now as ecuba uzobhata ngayo. Don't be ashamed to take a 9-to-5 job. Don't be afraid uba uyosebenza kwamasipala. Don't be afraid uyotshayela. Don't be afraid of uba mawenze into ethile. As long as you know it's going to help you to help boost your music and your career, do it, because you know what you want. So you must work towards building this artist, this superstar from by you. Not all of us are fortunate to be signed, to having people to invest in us. And make sure you do the best for yourself. Always plan.
Naseziko imbizi yakho ezelwa.
Njalo.
Thank you so much. I appreciate ndiyazi bazininzi izinto ozenzayo.
Yes.
But you blessed me with this day. Awuzazi izinto zithethileyo kum ezindakhileyo. Like ufike very very heavy.
Yes.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu uThixo akwandisele. I'm rooting for you. You are a brave young man, and I hope others, they can take a thing or two away. I can't wait to be in spaces where I could say I had an opportunity to have a sit with that guy. I see you, I appreciate you, and I want us to go back a bit to old mutual. A reason that God had to remove you there, as painful as it was. Wawungazuba nayo le ntshisekelo nayo ubuzoba too relaxed, and then iphupha lakho belingacima.
Yes.
As much as kuye kusho bathwa iphupha lifa umnikazi ephila.
Yes, it's
And
true.
then now going to this thing ukuthi you've been down and out. Right now, I don't want you to be down and out, but please stay humble ngoba kuyatsho uba umuntu ophansi akawi.
Kunjalo, sisami.
Umuntu ozithobileyo akawi, umuntu ophansi akawi.
It's true.
So just remain there. Even if you can feel uba iyafika lana nsika yabona mos njengasezimuvini siyafika esa spaceships ama-aliens
Yeah,
sifuna ukumuncuza.
yeah.
Grab down.
Yes, sisami. Yes.
Keep it there, man.
Sure.
I appreciate you so much. Yeah, I just hope asigqibeli usebenza namhlanje.
Yes.
Ama-updates and everything. We are open anytime, any day.
Yes.
And then ndicela ungenqeni futhi ukundithumelela izinto nam and promote on my side. So Breezy ke, iReasonation is my family.
Sure.
We believe in hyping each other. Talking about what you said earlier about indaba ye-unity.
Yes.
I've learned uba for you to work, you need to be willing to work with other people. So my ba hype, if someone is doing something, share, comment, take it out there. You've got nothing to lose,
Yes.
So allow me to be in a space of that as well.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. And then Uchilba, your friend is not feeling well. Apole Shem Nai.
I know. She's definitely gonna come too.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Thank you so much, man.
So, man, before Sibalindabulela, man, thank you for taking your time. And I feel blessed to be here and sharing my story. And I'm hoping, man, it can reach to someone. I've interviewed Twifuman as an inspiration. Yeah, man. Otherwise, I'm pretty
Thank
for
you.
your time and having me here.
Thank you. And thanks for opening this setup. You're the first person to sit in the setup. And then now I've learned because now I'm short. Next time I'm going to have to sit there.
This side, man.
Yeah. Ungazuphazamiswa ngala masiba.
Alright. I never such a man.
La natural uyabona that thing ema-movie ufumanise kugabhadiya uphekuzwa ngamasiba thina sikubetha automatic.
I feel like a king.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
man. Amen, man.
Bless you, son.
Thank you, man.
And your amazing work that you do.
Thank you so much, man.
Thanks.
Bethuna emakhaya siyabulela kakhulu. Njengoba benitshilo sisaqala sathi asiyonto ngaphandle kwenu, and maybe you take that for granted, but we appreciate you. Uyazazi ba uka-subscribe apho ukhoyo right now. Do that, hamba uyocofa la subscribe. Uzoxa ugqiba umcofa uzawubona there's a bell there that will notify you whenever we're posting something. Go and look for Uta KMEC.
Please.
Umsebenzi wakhe, guys. Uchilo uthe open to anyone who wants to start working. Ungumuntu ozivulile izandla zakhe. So don't take such things maybe uzofana nabanye. No. He's willing. Come through, masebenzeni, guys. Uyatsho uba akhonto imonwabisa njengobona omnye umuntu ephumelela, which is very significant to me. And then if you nama comments mhlawumbe zikhona izinto engikhange sizithethe right now, siyacela uzobe khona ubhuti naye kuma comment section uzophendula whatever leyo uzobe uyibuza. And then if nifila uba anonelanga njengoba ehleli apha nani nisafona more because he's fun. I mean, he's fun. I was laughing a lot, which I needed as well. Siyanithanda Bethuna, ndicela univalele.
Okay, uchola uyaphuma uqengeba. It was nice having you guys. See you next time. KMEC.
We are.
Life no be straight line. Unscramble life we see. Come tell your story, be free. Yetewo, yehu, wabrabonu yeden, nansu upe healing. Unscramble life we see. No shame, just clarity. From broken pieces to peace, we dey heal, small, we dey breathe. Everybody get a story where them hide. Smiles outside but tears inside. Waka said be strong, don't cry, but pain, no, they listen to pride. Bra, kasa, my ente, ukuma munsemina. Enya, unkwana wote, we all they fight something inside. No judgment, no disguise, just truth under open skies. Piece by piece we go rise. Healing no be overnight. Unscramble life we sleep. Come Come tell your story, be free. Yet you, Yahuwah, wabrabonu yeden and so obeying. From heartbreak to second chance, from silence to finding voice. Every scar get meaning inside. Every soul deserve a choice. Sleep day or it's you, not to judge but understand. Take your time, speak your truth. You go rise, just take a hand. Bit by bit, day by day, light go find you on the way. Even darkness no go stay. Hope they come, make you no fear. Oh, oh, unscramble life we see. This be where you find your peace. From confusion to release, you are seen, you are free. Tell your story, it matters.